Hello everyone, my name is Mudit Pandey and I am here today to ensure a smooth ride for UK study visa for all of you. So if I showed you a checklist of 7 documents that UK visa and immigration normally check and told you that most Indian students are mistaking at least 2 of them, would you want to see that list? Stay with me. I made this video because the March 2026 UK visa updates have genuinely confused even experienced consultants. Let's fix that right now. Welcome back to my channel and don't forget to like and subscribe. So here is the reality. Every year I talk to hundreds of students from India who want to study in the UK, and every year that number one reason applications get delayed or rejected is not what you think. It's not your grades, it's not your English score, it's documentation and timing. In 2026 specifically, 3 things have changed that you must know before you even start your application. Number 1. Visa fees have gone up significantly effectively April 2026. Number 2, the financial evidence requirement have tightened. You now need to show more money in your bank account for longer. Number 3, processing times are longer than what the UKVI website says. Students are reporting 4 to 6 week waits right now. ये 3 चीजें note कर लो. The UK student visa process has 6 core steps. I'll go through all 6. Step 1, get your CAS, your confirmation of acceptance for studies. This comes from the university after you have accepted your offer and paid any required deposit. Without this number, your application cannot begin. बहुत student यहाँ confusion में रहते हैं. They think they can apply for a visa while still choosing between universities. No. First confirm, then apply. Step 2, check your financial requirement. For 2026, you need to show you can cover your full first year tuition fees plus £13,034 per month for living cost if studying in London, or £1,023 per month outside London for up to 9 months. That money must have been sitting in your account or your parents' account for at least 28 consecutive days before you apply. This is called the 28-day funds rule. Missing this is one of the top reasons Indian students get rejected. Step 3, gather your documents. I'll give you the full list in a moment. Step 4, complete the online application. Go to the gov.uk, not any third-party website, not a WhatsApp link someone else send you, only gov.uk. Fill in your details, upload your documents, pay the fees. Step 5, book your biometrics appointment. After applying online, you book a VFS appointment in India to give your fingerprints and photograph. Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore all have VFS centers. Book early slots. Step 6, wait and track your typically get a decision within 3 weeks if your application is complete. If anything is missing, they'll write to you and you will have a deadline to respond. Okay, here is the document list. Screenshot this. CAS number from your university. Valid passport must be valid for the entire duration of the course. Bank statement, yours or your parents' sponsors, showing the required funds for 28 consecutive days. English language test result, IELTS, PTE or proof of English medium schooling. That is called MOI. Academic qualification, your degree certificate, mark sheets, ATAS certificate, only if your course is in certain science or engineering subject. Check the UKVI website for this. Tuberculosis test certificate, if you are from India, this is mandatory. Many students miss this. Go to an approved clinic. Parental consent letter, if you are under 18, ये document अगर सब सही हैं, your application becomes very straightforward. और एक important बात, do not translate documents yourself. Use an official certified translator. Self-translated documents are an automatic red flag. I want to spend a moment here because this is where most applications fall apart. Mistake 1, wrong bank statements. The account must be in your name or your parents' name, not a relative, not a friend. And the balance must not drop below the required amount at any point of time in those 28 days. Even 1 day below the threshold, your application could be refused. Mistake 2, applying too early or too late. You can apply up to 6 months before your course starts, but don't apply too close to your start date either. Remember, processing is taking 4 to 6 weeks right now. Give yourself at least 8 weeks minimum. Mistake 3, wrong English test result. Check your university specific IELTS requirement. A 6.0 overall might not be enough if the university requires 6.5 in each band. Read the fine print on your CAS. Mistake 4, missing the TV test. I cannot stress this enough. If you are coming from India, you must get a TB test from a UKVI approved clinic. जो GP certificate will not be accepted. ये गलतियां आप लोग मत करो. These are things that take 5 minutes to check but cost you months if you miss them. Let's talk money. What does the UK student visa actually cost in 2026? So far, a standard 1-year masters, you are looking at roughly 1.5 to 1.6 lakh in just visa related cost before tuition and living. Plan for this, budget for this. Do not let this surprise you at the last minute. Now, I know many of you are thinking about what happens after your degree, the graduate route visa, the post-study work visa. Let you stay in the UK for 2 years after graduation or 3 years if you did a PhD. That visa now costs £937, and yes, there is a real debate right now about whether the UK job market for international graduate is as open as it used to be. Meri honest rai. The UK is still one of the best destination for Indian students if you choose the right course, the right university, and go in with realistic expectation about the job market. It's not easy, but it's absolutely possible with the right preparation. So to summarize, 2026 में UK student visa के लिए get your cash first, show the right funds for 28 days, get your TB test, apply 8 weeks before your start date, and budget for all full cost, fees, IHS and biometrics. If you found this helpful, subscribe, because every week I break down exactly the kind of information for students planning to study abroad. और अगर आपको अपनी specific situation के बारे में बात करनी हो, the link to book a free consultation is in the description below. Thank you.